Hey, what's up guys? And today we're back with another door closer episode video, and today it is actually currently snowing, so you'll be seeing some snow soon. But yeah, so we're going to be doing a door closer update. So we still have this door closer one, which is the Arrow 303 with the shiny cover. Let me just put it normally so you can probably see it. There we are. Here it is. I have made it quite fast. If I pull the handle up on that, it won't be as bad. Oh wait, it's because that's open. But yeah, next door closer we have is the Arrow 303 once again. Let's do a cycle of it. And I'm currently wearing winter gloves, if you're wondering. Next door closer we have, and there's all the snow. But we have, what am I standing on? Oh. Next door closer is the Union door closer. So this is it. If you remember, guys, I put this up, and I've also put a door latch up too. Here it is. Works really well, this closer does on here. Yeah, this is where I've got to get in the snow now. I'm all geared up. But if we go outside, we've got the Union, which is currently full of snow right now. I'm not going to wipe it off because what's the point? I quite like it anyway, but here it is. I adjusted it earlier. I'm not going to show you my street fully, but that's the snow we have. And I'm going to show you the door closer that is on the fake door and the other, like in the back garden. So, see what I look like. I can't even see myself, but there's so much snow on me. If we go to the back garden, I can actually show you like how snowy it is. Like, look at it. If we go outside, we haven't had snow like this in almost 2 or 3 years, I think. I could be wrong, but I would love to put door closers on these, but you know, it's my parents' house. If it was my house, I would put on them every single door. But here is the Arrow. I've forgotten what this one's called. This one's full of snow too. This one's been up since that live stream I did. But here it is. And then after this, I'll show you the garden, because the garden's full of snow. God, sorry, I'm trying not to slip over. You can see my shoe print. Right, here it is. That was terrible. Let me try that again. Oh, it's so awkward. I'll also go on the other side. Hopefully it snows on Tuesday so I don't have college again. Yeah. Oh, it's under here. It's not, doesn't snow as much under here, but here it is. Oh, my cycle. Anyways, I'm going to show you the back garden, because the back garden is actually full of snow. So I'm going to turn on my flashlight and I'll show you it. There we are, guys. There's so much snow. This is fake grass. Look at it. I've missed nights like this. So much snow. I don't think I've ever actually showed you my back garden, so might as well show you it. Usually I have to try and avoid stepping on dog poo, but since it's snowing, it's probably all under the snow, so it don't really matter. So yeah, it's just a bunch of random stuff. That looks like a palm tree, but I don't think it is. Back here, we actually have some sheds. As you can see, that's the first shed. When I say that I'm going to be getting my own shed soon, this is not really like the shed that I'm going to own. This is a storage shed with a lock on it. But hopefully this year, this shed's going to get knocked down, and there's also one in the back too, which is hopefully going to get knocked down, and we're going to make a big shed, which is going to be the workshop, which I was on about. But yeah, that's all the snow. There's so much snow. What about all on there? Yep. I'm gonna walk back down, and then I'm gonna end off the video just so you can have one last look at the snow. But yeah, that's all the snow. Yeah, bye guys.